Hey, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver, and today we're gonna have another session of trading with binary options on Quotex. The link is gonna be in the description to this video, as well as the Telegram group, which you can check out for more info on indicators and how they work. So guys, subscribe if you're still not subscribed, like and comment, and let's get straight to the video. Don't forget about the description, because there's also a promo code that you can use for the deposit. So let's start. And today is gonna be the zigzag and MACD indicators, and we're gonna start with $6. So let's have a look, and we're gonna start straight away for the we're gonna be on this currency. I have the MACD on the zigzag, so we're gonna go with the put option straight away on $6 and 30 seconds. And here our first profit, it's $11.22. So let's go with $11 for the next option, and this one is going to be, I like to change the currencies to a different one every time, so I'm gonna go with this currency now and have a look at the indications. The zigzag is currently showing us that the price is going down, but we have some candles that are green, and MACD is showing a slight uprise. But for 30 seconds I'm gonna go with put option, so that we still have time if it goes down the price. So let's wait. Here we have another profit, $20.57 in total. We have $20.79 already, and we're gonna go with $20 for the next option. And the next option is going to be on the, so let's put this $20, and the next option is going to be on this currency. Have a look at the indicators. We see the prices going down, so 30 seconds. Obviously we're gonna go with the put option. That's a good spot to do it as well, because you can clearly see that the price is going down so far. So let's wait. Here we have another profit, guys, 37.40, and we have in total $38.19 already. It's been a few minutes, but we already made this balance. So we're gonna go with this next currency and just go each one next and just read the indications here. The price is still going way down here. We could do a quick put option here, because the prices, you can see clearly the indication, and 30 seconds is enough time for us to go down a little bit. Although if it was more time, a few minutes, 2-3 minutes, I would go maybe with the call option, as the price would potentially go up. By the way, let me know in the commentary section as well, guys, what you think. What's your experience? So if you need to read the indications, be sure to check out the group in the description. 71.6 cents, $71 already we have. So it's been only under 5 minutes, $71 we made already. Let's go for the next option here on this currency, and so we see that the price is going up by the indications. You see the MACD green line has crossed the orange line, going up, so that's one of the clear basic indications. And yeah, let's wait. By the way, I changed this to 1 minute now, so we have a little bit more freedom while making our options, and it's a bit more controllable, because 30 seconds is really small amount of time, so it's just easier to control. With 1 minute you have a bit more freedom here. But yeah, let's see the result. Here we have $132.77 of profit. In total is 133 already, guys. It's been like 5 minutes. So I'm back to 30 seconds, and I'm going to this currency here to make a quick option. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So we're gonna go with a put option. Here we have $248. That's a great profit here because we used $133 the entirety of our balance for this option, and see how drastically it changes the balance. So just from 70 and then 133, it's 248. It's going exponentially, and it's how this tactic works. Basically, you use the entirety of your balance. You read the indications, obviously, because you need to know basic technical analysis to understand how it works and to just be able to to make your decisions. So be sure to check out the group that explains the indicators, or watch other videos. I mean, there's a lot of videos out there for the indication. So let's check out different currency here, and let's see if we're gonna make a quick option here. That does look quite good here. I'm gonna make a call option, so we'll see. It's a fast one, it's a 30-second one, so let's see the result. Here we have, guys, $463.76 in total. Is 464, almost 50. It's been only under 10 minutes and we made this amount. So you see how drastically this changes. So the amount under 5 minutes was like $30, right? And or something like this, and then 5 minutes later it's 464. So we're gonna go with this next currency. That looks pretty good. I mean, I would 30 seconds. Right, so we see a pattern here. If you're unsure about the patterns, we're gonna go with the put option, and that's an inverted triangle here, so we know what's gonna happen if you know the basic technical analysis and patterns on the graphs. So yeah, let's wait. It's a quick one as well, so should be good. $867, guys. It's getting crazy, right? So every minute we're having the amount is growing so much, and this is it. This is how it works. So I have enough to place 868. So we're gonna go with the next option, and this one is going to be the put option here, because it's clearly showing us. Here we have, guys, this is the first really big profit here, 1,623. Now we're able to make the biggest, like the maximum option investment, right? So the amount is 1,000. It's the maximum that you can put on an option. So, but you can make multiple options as well. So you'll see that in a second. We're gonna use this. We're gonna use 1,000. But we're gonna change to 1 minute, as it's a bit more controllable, and we'll go with this currency. Let's have a look at the indications. It could be going down soon, the price, but right now, yeah, it could be. We're gonna go with a quick call option here, and we're gonna see the result. Here we have, guys, 87% payout means from 1,000 we made another 870. That means now we have $2.5 grand, almost $2.5 grand, and it's been what, like under 15 minutes, guys. This is how this tactics work. You see this pattern here? That means we are going to do the two options of the put options, because this pattern here, for example, I'll explain it quickly. So that's an inverted triangle again. We've seen that today, so I'm just going to explain it, because I'm sure there'll be questions about it. So when you see that, basically you have the when the price, so it's basically a um, a point where, so we read the first peak, then it goes down, and then it goes up, creating this triangle. So that means the price, when it reaches this peak, we can put a parallel line from one peak, from one high peak to the second high peak, if you know what I mean. And it's gonna be that's where it's gonna stop going up. Usually this patterns can play out a lot of times. We just had profit here, $3,730, guys. This is crazy. So when you see that, basically the price is gonna start going down, and this is a nice indication, nice easy indication for you guys. So yeah, right now we have opportunity to put multiple options, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna go with a put options here. We're gonna make a few of them, right? We have opportunity to make 4 now. So there you go, 4 put options. So basically the same thing, but 4 times, right? And this is what we're gonna do. You know, for this strategy, when you reach the limit of the maximum of 1,000 per investment, you just make multiple, but you still use the entirety, or almost in this case, entirety of your balance, and this is what makes the drastic change in price. So let's see. Here you go, guys, here you go. We just made a lot of money with this just 1 minute, making multiple options. $7,730 in our balance, guys. This is amazing because you see the craziness of the exponential growth here, because since you use the entirety of your, obviously this is really risky as well. Like, you can lose all of that if you make the bad decision, but usually, let me just see, we're gonna change this time to 2 minutes, and we're gonna go with these multiple options for, so 2 options for the call options. You see the MACD is showing some good sign of the growth. So basically, I was saying this is really volatile, so you need to understand how the indicators work and be like 100% sure, and a bit of luck as well. So yeah, let's see the result of this. Alright, so here we have, guys, you see we made it again, $9,453 just in under 20 minutes, guys. We just made this balance. We're gonna stop here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out the description to this video. Hope to see you soon. Next time we're gonna make another great session, and good luck, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.